Today I'm making spicy bean tacos with crumbled creamy feta, and we're going to top those with some quick marinated onions for a little bit of extra tang. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with those onions, and I've got a thinly sliced onion here in my bowl. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt over the onions and then drizzle over 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. So that's the first stage of the marinated onions done, so we're going to put those to one side and then we're going to start on those spicy beans. To a saucepan, add a 400 gram or 14 ounce can of cannellini beans that have been rinsed and a 400 gram can of kidney beans that have been rinsed. Then pour over 300 ml or 1 1/4 cups of passata and add a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of sriracha. Then stir together and cook over a medium heat for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring often and giving those beans a gentle squash with a fork a few times. Then turn off the heat and let's come back to those onions. To the onions, add 6 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and then stir it all together. Now it's time to assemble the tacos. So I've got 12 warm tacos here on my tray. First of all, we're going to spoon that bean mixture into the middle. Then sprinkle on a diced avocado. Then I like to crumble over about 200 grams or 7 ounces of feta. Then use a fork to remove those onion slices from the marinade and add them to the tacos. And we're going to finish those tacos off with some fresh watercress. I use about 30 grams or 1 packed cup of watercress. And there you go, a brilliant, tasty, spicy and zingy dinner that's vegetarian and the whole family can enjoy. See you next time.